y'all, I am Kay. Welcome to my channel. Come on in, come on in, come on in. All new people, you are welcome. Come on in, as long as you're respectful. And returning people, you know the deal. Hey, y'all. It's the weekend. Happy weekend. We are up to date 3 of the solo date series. So I have some things in store for you today. This evening for the 3rd solo date. And the reason, let me explain again why we're on 3, because I didn't start it on time for the year. So 1 month this year I will have to do 2. So April solo date is to the Highland Lincoln Center. It's a community center like type thing where they have classes, everything going on, just like your neighborhood Y, but it's for the town of Highland. And we will be going to a cake decorating class. Yes. And it's interesting. You will find it interesting. And the baker, the young lady's name is, the name of the company is JAA Cakes, JAA Cakes. You can find her on Facebook, Instagram, I don't know about YouTube, and I think TikTok, but she's on Facebook, and it's JAA Cakes. It's 2 words, but it's put together. It's capital JAA, capital CAKES. She has a page on there. She does a monthly cake decorating class all over northwestern Indiana. So catch up with her. She's adding some new locations to the class. So this is a class you don't want to miss. So without further ado, let's get to it. Solo date number 3. It's just K1, y'all. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. Hope you like it. Let's get to it. Let's go.
Before we get started, does anybody have any questions for me? All right. If you think it does, then so we will start with everything we have here. So of course you have a cake on the table.
I need to pay
on top
attention.
is a little card.
Karen, you're gonna be like on the roll. The sides. Do I have something? You're laughing because you're looking at me. I think I
Oh, okay. Like you put mayonnaise on a sandwich. And then I guess go down and do the rest of it.
When you're ready, take your arms to the back and you turn it to the side this way. Flip it over, or you can hold it this way. You're gonna smooth that around the side. Just rub it in. This part doesn't have to be perfect. You just blend in the colors.
We're figuring it out.
There you go. And your phone was late.
Thank you. him? Yeah, like you're doing.
Another option to blend the colors on the side would be to pick up your smoother. Hold it this way.
Look at that. See, it doesn't
Oh, that's
overlap.
good.
Go around. Come around.
Yeah, because once you touch the blue, once you got the blue on there, how you get the blue off?
But you want to hold yours like this, straight up and down. You're a righty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you want to hold it like this against the cake. Now you got so much more frosting to work with. So if you want to scrape that off and put it back on there, anywhere, I would say.
It's this top part
Yep.
where these holes.
Okay. Put this on your practice board just in case you can use it. So then you'll go around again.
Oh, again.
Mm-hmm. That's why we're gonna put it down.
Oh, thank you. Pretty.
Do you need any help?
Look, don't be showing off. Child, I want to eat this cake, child. I can't get to the end. It's like the time is taking to get through it.
Watch, it's just K1. How y'all doing today? How you doing? I'm just leaving my April solo date, and I had a great time. I will be back. The host was excellent. She was real down to earth. It was a ladies. Well, I don't think it's just for ladies. I think anybody could go, but you'll see about it later. But I had a great time. I will be back to participate again. I loved it. Great people. We didn't have no food. We had some snacks, but y'all, all you need to add was some food or some wine or something. But it was good enough. But I enjoyed myself and I appreciate it. I will be back. It's just K1. How y'all doing tonight? It's Friday night. Did you just get paid? What's going on with y'all party people? So I'm on my way back to the house, and you'll see later. April solo date number 3. It's just K1, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll wrap a taste with you in a bit. First little taste. I'm having a wedding cake. Hold on. Get y'all back up to me. Okay, it's back up to me. First taste of the cake. That's like wedding cake. Yep. It's real moist. Very good. Very good. JAA Cakes. Very good. Tastes good. I would highly recommend her. She also has a bakery, so she just doesn't do these classes. She also bakes cakes for a living. She does weddings, showers, whatever you want. She could do it. Check her out. I left all the information down below. I'm going to get back to my Sunday evening and enjoy it with a glass of wine. I'll wrap a taste with you later. It's just K1.